Well, the U.S. Supreme Court will hear a case involving the Capitol riot. This could affect former President Trump and a former Midstate police officer. Sarah Wilson knows all about it. She joins us in the studio. Sarah.
Alicia, this is noteworthy because the Supreme Court is very picky about the cases it chooses to look at. This one stems from an appellate court ruling that revived a charge against 3 defendants, including that Midstate officer accused of obstructing an official proceeding.
It is a watershed case.
A high-profile case involving a Midstate man is taking a detour to the nation's highest court. Former North Cornwall Township officer Joseph Fisher faces charges for his alleged actions on January 6th, including obstruction of an official proceeding. Fisher petitioned the Supreme Court to eliminate that charge.
It was basically a very broad statute, almost like an omnibus clause, and could apply to anything that impaired an official proceeding.
And in as much as he says, I didn't tamper with any documents, I may have entered the Capitol, but I didn't touch any documents or evidence. Therefore, I don't fit within the ambit of the law.
According to the petition, Fisher attended the Stop the Steal rally, went home, but then came back after hearing the crowd at the Capitol was growing. His lawyers say he went about 20 feet inside.
As the crowd started pushing forward, they pepper sprayed him, and along with others, and he left. He was in the Capitol about 3 minutes and 49 seconds.
One of Fisher's attorneys telling me he regrets going back to the Capitol, but is relieved the Supreme Court is taking up the case.
Look, if you participated in the January 6th riots and you entered the Capitol building, you're going to have, some criminal exposure and liability.
And we fight. We fight like hell. And if you don't fight like hell, you're not going to have a country anymore.
Current GOP frontrunner Donald Trump faces the same charge. However, the court rules will have an impact.
It's not a get-out-of-jail-free card for the former president. There are some factual allegations that tie him to tampering with evidence.
It is likely we'll have a ruling on this case in June. Which way it goes remains to be seen. Former federal judge John Jones, who you just heard from, saying it will probably be close. Alicia?